First, a grand welcome for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and then India and Canada taking their relations to new heights. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Canada, the last leg of his Link West tour, not just strengthening economic links between the two countries, but also re-energizing personal bonds. Leaving the past behind, India and Canada have swept away all the differences, and Canadian Prime Minister Stephen Harper announced his country's decision to resume uranium supply to India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calling the deal a symbol of confidence the two nations share. Pitching for investment in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also held an investor roundtable with the major pension funds of Canada. At the meeting, Canadian investors endorsed India as the topmost business destination. They told the PM that the demand to do business with India has gone up exponentially and that India is now on top of their list. The Prime Minister, along with the Canadian PM, also addressed a meeting of leading Canadian CEOs.
अगर आप फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर में आना चाहते हैं, हम रिफॉर्म की दिशा में बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. आप इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के क्षेत्र में आना चाहते हैं, भारत में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की संभावनाएं अपरंपार है. यानी आप आने वाले 50 साल का प्रोजेक्ट भारत में बना सके, इतनी संभावनाएं पड़ी हुई है. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट के क्षेत्र में आना चाहें तो उसमें भी उतनी संभावनाएं हैं. यानी एक के बाद एक बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव डिसीजन लिए हैं और मैं चाहूंगा कि इसका लाभ कैनेडियन कंपनियां बहुत अच्छी तरह ले सकती हैं.
Giving a fillip to personal ties, Canada returned an Indian heritage piece, the Parrot Lady, a sandstone sculpture from Khajuraho. On his part, Prime Minister Modi gifted Canadian PM Stephen Harper a miniature painting titled Guru Nanak Dev. Prime Minister Modi visited the Kanishk Memorial in Toronto to pay tributes to those who lost their lives in the act of terror. Canadian Prime Minister Stephen Harper accompanied him. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also offered prayers at Gurudwara Khalsa Diwan and Lakshmi Narayan Temple in Vancouver. A huge crowd thronged these places to get a glimpse of the PM. The Sikh community is an integral part of Canada's population, with the members playing a pivotal role in the nation's growth and development.
मेरा आपके साथ रक्त का संबंध है. रक्त का संबंध इसलिए है कि जब गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी ने पंच प्यारे पसंद किए थे, उन पंच प्यारों में एक गुजरात का था.
At the Lakshmi Narayan Temple, the Prime Minister said that Hinduism is not a religion but a way of life, and that it has worked for the benefit of nature, promoting the scientific way of life.
जीवन वैज्ञानिक तरीके से कैसे जिया जाए, जीवन प्रकृति के साथ संतुलन बना करके कैसे जिया जाए, जीव मात्र के प्रति दया का भाव कैसे रहे, ये मूल्य है सार्वजनिक रूप से. और इसलिए आज कभी कोई वाइल्ड लाइफ के लिए एनजीओ बना करके चिंता करता होगा, लेकिन हमारे यहां पहले से कहा जाता है जीव दया की बात, जो अल्टीमेटली हर जीव की रक्षा की बात करता है.
In his diaspora outreach, Prime Minister Modi cast a spell over the people in Toronto with his warmth and hit a strong chord with them in an instant. The PM received a spectacular reception at the Ricoh Coliseum. The visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Canada was aimed at enticing Canadian investors to invest in India as well as boosting people-to-people contact. The first standalone bilateral visit of an Indian PM to Canada in 42 years has indeed renewed the momentum of relations between the two countries. With Nandini Mittal, Sudhakar Das and Arendra in Canada, Bureau Report, DD News.